I hope you are fine. This time again I am with present perfect tense. So let's have a look at it. Present perfect. To talk about a completed action in the past but do not state the exact time. That means an action that was completed in the past but we do not say when the action was completed or the action has been completed. I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework. This is done. But I haven't said that when I have done my homework. So there is no specific time. Rebecca has just attended a management seminar. Oh, I think she is an employee and she is having a management seminar. Rebecca has just attended a management seminar. But here goes the same thing. We didn't say when he has attended the seminar. So again the same thing. There is no time reference. So present perfect tense means an action has been finished but there has been no time reference. Now let's talk about the formula. What is the formula of present perfect tense? How will you use it? Subject, have, has. Third person singular takes has, V3 object. So this is the formula of present perfect tense. Subject, have or has, V3 object. Has means third person singular number. Let's check the examples. I, this is subject. Have, this is have. Finished, this is V3. Subject, have, V3. This is object. Rebecca, subject. As Rebecca is third person, we have has here. V3, object. Subject has V3 object. So this is the formula of present perfect tense. Now we have another thing here. We use since and for with present perfect. There are some examples. Sandra has worked with our company since 1997. She is still working there. We use already and just in present perfect tense. We have already made reservation for the show. So in short, this is the whole present perfect things. I think it will be helpful for you and we shall make some practice to make it more easy for you. So let us come to the solution, how we can find it out. First one, her English has improved. This is subject, this is has, this is V3. I have 2 cups of coffee today. I have drunk. I have drunk 2 cups of coffee today. Tom lost his keys. That will be Tom has lost his keys. The bus fare. Oh, this is very tremendous thing, and you know that bus fare has gone up really nowadays, and it makes a lot of suffering for the people. The bus fare has gone up. The bus fare has gone up. The police has arrested 2 people. So these are all present perfect tense, and I think present perfect tense will be clear to you, and the same thing that we are telling you every day, the more you practice, the more you learn. And this is all for today. Hope we will meet in our next videos. Till then, bye.